VOE4 to help me with finding the area of a rectangle. Area has to do with what the amount of space something covers, like an area rug. To find the area of a rectangle, I'm going to take width times length. So up here, my width would be 5 and my length would be 3. So I would do 5 times 3, which equals 15 square feet. Because on this, I really would have divided this into 3 rows, and I would have divided this into 5 columns. And then if I counted the squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, that's where we get the 15 square feet. Area would be used like if I'm going to put tile in a bathroom, floor tile in whatever room you're doing, ceiling tile, whatever room you're doing, the shingles when they're deciding how much they're going to put on your house for roofing, they're measuring the width times length. If you paint a wall, we're covering up an area. On the can of paint, it will probably tell you how many square feet it covers. If you're going to put some grass seed on your yard, the bag of seed would tell how many square feet it's going to cover, or square yards probably. When people are putting wallpaper up on walls, they still do that every once in a while. The guy's going to measure the width and the length, and then he's going to have to see how much his strip is to decide how many strips of wallpaper he needs. When you put carpet down on the floor or you put the hardwood floors down, you're covering up an area. So let's go to this one right here. I want to find the area of the rectangle. Area of a rectangle. This is the nice part. It always equals width times length. And you may see it with lowercase w times L or capital W times L, because the lowercase l sometimes looks like a 1. So I'm just going to multiply my numbers together. I got 6 times 20. I'm going to put the bigger number on top. Okay, from last week we know how to do numbers when we have multiples of 10. So I'm going to pin this 0 to the end. And then I just have 6 times 2 is 12. So that would be 120 square centimeters this time. Try out another one. This time I have 10 times 40. I'm going to pin 2 zeros, and I've got 1 times 4 is 4. 400 square centimeters again. 30 times 8. Pin my 0. 3 times 8 is 24 square centimeters again. So if we got something besides centimeters, what happens? Oh, here we go. 20 times 500. I'm going to put the 500 on top, times 20. So I have 1, 2, 3 zeros to a pin to the end. Now I've got 5 times 2 is 10. In 10 there's a 0. This 0 cannot count for that. So I already had to have those 3 zeros and then 10 in front. Count over 1, 2, 3, comma, 10,000 square feet.